Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve L6 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. This puzzle is made of two different types of wood, Mirabau and maple. It has difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no gaps in the opening and there will be no sticking out parts. If you take a closer look at the parts, you will find that all of them have L shape, and that's why this puzzle has its name, L6. And if you take a closer look at the frame, you will find that it has L-shaped opening as well. But the frame is a little bit more tricky since there are a couple of restrictions inside. You can't use this voxel on the left since there is a frame piece there. And you can't use voxel on the bottom left side of the frame in the middle. It is also a frame piece. That means that inside you have only 25 voxels left for the pieces, and all these pieces together they will be 24 voxels. That means that when you put all parts inside, there's going to be only one voxel left and that's it. So it's pretty tight puzzle. If you like L6 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first of all, as I usually do, I put the puzzles together outside the frame. It's going to be a little bit easier to figure out the way how to assemble them later. So one of the pieces is going to be on the right side, another is going to be on the right side as well, like this. This piece is going to be on the left side. It's going to be between two restrictions inside the frame, between the top one and the bottom one, like this. And we're going to have just 3 more pieces. This piece is going to be in the front like this, and 2 are going to be on top like this. Now let's try to imagine that all these parts are inside the frame and we are trying to remove them. So this piece goes out first, this goes second. Then we can move this piece to the left, but we can't remove it. We have to move this piece one step to this direction. This piece goes to the right. Now this piece goes to the front and we can remove it. Next we can remove this part. Then we can remove this part, and the last one is going to be this one. We can rotate it and remove. So let's try to put everything inside the frame. So this piece goes first and we have to put it inside and in this right corner. Oh, not like this. We don't have to rotate it actually. We have to put it inside to the front side of the frame, down and to the right. Next piece is going to be this one. We have to put it inside and all the way to the left. Now we have a couple of more pieces which we have to fit. The first one is going to be this one. Put it inside like this and to the right. The next piece, which is surprisingly L-shaped piece, is going to go inside this way and all the way to the back side of the frame. Now we have to tilt the frame a little bit to move the parts. So tilt it to the left. This piece will go to the left. Now tilt it towards yourself. The piece that is right here will go this direction, and now tilt it to the right, and this piece will go to the right. And that's when we can fit the last 2 parts. This one goes here and all the way to the back, and the last piece goes inside here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, the opening is covered. There is no sticking out parts. That means that the puzzle is solved. But the puzzle is solved when it is solved both ways. So now we have to remove all the parts, and we will start with this piece. Just flip the puzzle upside down, it goes out. Tilt the puzzle towards yourself, this piece will appear here. Again, remove it. Now tilt the frame to the left. this piece will move one step to the left. Tilt the frame this direction, and the piece that is right here will move one step. Now tilt the frame to the right, and this piece will move to the right. Tilt the frame towards yourself, this piece will move, and you can remove it. Now tilt the frame to the left, and you can remove this piece. It will go, I don't want you to rotate. It will go out of the frame, and then one step here and remove it. Next piece is going to be this one on the left. You have to move it to the right, then up and remove from the frame. And the last piece is this one. Move the frame to the left. Piece goes up, one step this direction, and remove it from the frame. And that's it. The puzzle is solved both ways. So quite interesting puzzle with 6 L-shaped parts and L-shaped cutout, and quite satisfying to put all parts inside. If you like L6 puzzle by Alexander Majoric and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Alexander, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.